He has built this tower with hundreds of sticks, and he maintains it year after year. It has one purpose and one purpose only: to impress females. It requires constant maintenance. What's that stick doing there? But now, this. Perfect. It's time to renew the decorations. Rotting berries and caterpillar droppings. A female assesses his construction. And now he sings to her. And now, to entice her closer, he reproduces some of them. A barking dog. Even the sound of children playing. And their frustrated parents. She seems to be listening attentively. Now they begin to dance around their maypole. He's careful not to completely reveal himself. And now he goes for it. Was it too soon?